looks like an elephant.
I see it. Arouse. Look at that one. It looks like Blaheen and Kuan. Oh, wait. It is Blaheen and Kuan.
Do you leave a harde?
Ready for our picnic?
Oh, yes. What's wrong, Kuan? Not hungry? Your vehicle is loose. Aw, are you worried? Nabi, Bora. I don't want my vehicle to fall out.
But that's what happens when we grow up. Our baby vehicle fall out.
And once your vehicle falls out, then the shiog na vehicle visits. Not on Fairy Island, she doesn't.
Really? What happens here?
I'll show you. After a fairy loses a vehicle, first you wrap it in a leaf, and then you put it in here. This wakens the wishing tree from her slumber, and she will grant you one wish, whatever you want. What will you wish for? I don't know what to wish for.
What about a racing car?
Or for a pet dinosaur. Or a giraffe on a bike. First things first, my vehicle needs to fall out. And I know a trick to help. Ooh. Yeah, ooh. Take a big bite, and that will help the vehicle to fall out. Be brave, Kuan. Yeah, be Kroga. Be Kroga. Be Kroga. Be Kroga. I guess my vehicle isn't ready to fall out. That's okay. There's no need to rush things, right?